In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and style graphs in Adobe Illustrator with clear, step-by-step examples. Make sure to watch till the end. Welcome back to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Adobe Illustrator and ensure your workspace displays the full Tools panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Toolbars, and choose Advanced. Now, press the letter J on your keyboard. This activates the Graph tool. Click and hold on it to open the list of graph types, then choose Column Graph. Next, click and drag anywhere on your artboard to draw your chart area. Or if you need a specific size, click once to open the Graph Size dialog box. Enter your width and height, then press OK. Immediately, the Graph Data window appears. This is where your data lives. If your information is already in Excel or Google Sheets, you can copy it directly. Select your table, press Ctrl or Command+C, then click inside the top left cell of the Graph Data window in Illustrator and press Ctrl or Command+V to paste. Double check that your data uses plain numbers without currency symbols or commas. When ready, click Apply. Your graph will update instantly on the artboard. Now, if you'd like to change the type of graph, for example, switch from a column chart to a pie chart or a line graph, select your graph with the Selection tool. Go to the top menu, choose Object, then Graph, then Type. A dialog box appears where you can choose your desired graph type. Press OK to apply, and your chart will automatically update using the same data. Let's talk about styling. This is where most beginners make a mistake that breaks the data link. Never ungroup the graph. Instead, use the Group Selection tool. To access it, press the letter A to switch to the Direct Selection tool, then click and hold on the icon to choose Group Selection. Now, click once on a single bar to select just that bar. Click again on the same bar to select the entire data series. Once the series is selected, change the fill or stroke color using the Appearance panel or the control bar at the top. You can even apply gradients or graphic styles safely, and the graph will still remain editable. If you want to change label styles, click twice on a label with the Group Selection tool to select all labels in that category. Then open the Character panel under Window, Type, and choose Character. Here, you can adjust the font family, size, and color to match your design theme. Remember, never use ungroup or expand before finishing your data edits. Doing so will disconnect your graph from the Graph Data window, and you'll lose the ability to update numbers easily. Always keep your chart live and editable by styling only through the Group Selection tool. Once you're satisfied, you'll have a fully editable, professional quality graph that remains linked to your data, perfect for quick updates, consistent design, and a clean presentation every time. If this helped, please like and subscribe. It really supports the channel.